Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add Shopify products to Amazon store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first, make sure that you have an Amazon account already set up. Now what you need to do is head over to your products, and here you can see you have your products. You can head over to more actions. So basically you can export your products list, and once you click onto this export, you can see we have CSV, Excel numbers, or other spreadsheet programs. So you can export a CSV file, and that is totally eligible in Amazon store. So make sure that you have Amazon store already created. This CSV file that you're going to be importing is going to be mentioning all the data for your products that you have added onto your store. So that's how easily you can add Shopify products to Amazon store. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.